If you've got more zucchini than you know what to do with, stick with me. I'm turning it into a whole dinner tonight. No meat required. So last night I prepped some yellow zucchini and onions with my umami everyday sauce. You could use any marinade you like, but that's the one I like for this dish. And we are going to turn zucchini into a main dish tonight rather than just a side dish of the zucchini and onion. So the first thing I am going to do is I am going to put the vegetables in a 9 by 13 pan. I am going to put a little bit of oil in here because I am going to add some Swiss chard stems. I cut the stems off the leaves, which I have in another bowl over here that you can see, but the stems take longer to cook, so I'm going to put those at the bottom, and then I am going to add our prepped zucchini and onions. You could do this the same day, but I wanted to make sure the flavor got well into the zucchini. And if you don't have a marinade, you could just do it with garlic and olive oil. So I have this put together. I am going to put it in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. And that's because the chard stems need a little longer to cook. And after that is cooked for 10 minutes, I am going to add the chard, and I'm also going to add a can of cannellini beans to make it a full-fledged protein meal. So I'm going to put the beans in here now where I had the marinade before, just to use up the rest of that good flavor. So we'll be back in 10 minutes. So we have the zucchini and the chard stems and the onions in here. I am going to add in the beans, and I'm not going to mush everything up with my hands because this has been in the oven 10 minutes, so it's hot. And I'm also going to add in the chard. Adding a little bit more of the marinade. If you don't have a favorite marinade, you could just use garlic oil, which would be fine. I'm going to cook this for another 10 minutes, and then I'm going to stir it all up and cook it until it's done. So you can see it's all cooked down nicely after about 20 minutes. And we have the zucchini and onions, the cannellini beans, and the chard all soaked up in the beautiful broth with the marinade and the juice from the chard. So I'm heating up some Italian bread, and we're going to have that to dip in the liquid. But here's dinner. Mangia bene.